Hello and welcome. When we are collaborating with specific individuals inside of Evernote, one of the things that we can do is we can use the features in order to create our own training center. And so, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our business notebooks and we're going to open up one of them here. Now, we could theoretically take one of our notebooks and dedicate it to the training process. And so what we would do is we would take all four of these items first, everything that we would be using for training in our training notebook, and first turn them into a table of contents. Now, obviously, we'd have to use the desktop app in order to do that, so let's go to the desktop app. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take all four of these items, then we're going to create a table of contents notes. Now, if we go back to our table of contents, you'll notice that we have all four documents there, and they're all linked inside of the table of contents. Now, what you'll want to use next is some kind of screen recording system so that you can take this next step and add it to this notebook, which will be your training center. And basically, what we're going to do is we're going to highlight those same four notes, and then we're going to click Start Presentation. And what you're going to see is you're going to notice that the information is now presented. You have your pointer that you can move around here. You can actually scroll through each note. And basically, you are going to be walking through the importance of each note, explaining it, and then adding it to video. Now, you will need some application to record what you're talking about. You'll probably need at least two monitors or screens to do this most effectively. But what you'll have is an effective training video based on what you have inside of your notebook. So any notebook where you choose to put relevant content inside, create a table of contents, walk through a presentation, can be a training center. And of course, you can always take notebooks and use your stack in order to create series of trainings for those who are going to be on your team. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.